Stop what you're doing, because what you drink tonight could quietly shape how well you see and remember tomorrow. Most people over 60 believe vision loss and memory decline are just part of aging. But that's not entirely true, because while you sleep, your brain and eyes enter a repair phase. And certain drinks, simple, natural juices, can either support that repair or completely block it. And one of the juices on this list, the Hazhone, has been shown to protect brain cells and retinal function overnight in ways most people never expect. My name is Dr. William Lee. I'm a physician and researcher who has spent over 25 years studying how nutrition activates the body's natural defense systems, including the brain and eyes. I've worked with global research teams, including studies connected to Harvard and other leading institutions, exploring how everyday foods can influence neuroprotection, circulation, and cellular repair. And what we've learned is simple, but powerful. Up to 40–50% of age-related cognitive and visual decline is influenced by lifestyle, especially what you consume daily. Not medication, not expensive treatments, but small, consistent habits like what you drink before bed. Because at night, your body isn't resting, it's repairing. Today, I'm going to show you 5 powerful juices, ranked from 5 to 1. Each one supports a different part of your brain and vision system. But the Hazhone juice, almost nobody uses correctly. And if you miss it, you're missing one of the most powerful ways to support your brain and eyes, naturally. So stay with me, because what you learn here could change your daily routine starting tonight. Before we begin, comment your age below, because these habits become critical after 60, but they can benefit you at any stage of life. You've probably heard that carrots are good for your eyes, but here's the deeper truth. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A, a nutrient essential for maintaining retinal health and night vision. A study from Harvard found that adequate vitamin A intake supports long-term visual function and reduces risk of certain eye conditions. Think of vitamin A like maintenance oil for your eyes. Without it, your visual system starts to wear down. Patient story. A 6–8-year-old patient experiencing blurred vision at night. We introduced a small glass of fresh carrot juice in the evening. Within weeks, he reported improved clarity in low light conditions. Practical steps. Drink a small glass, not excessive. Avoid added sugar. Fresh is better than processed. Synergy tip. Pair with a small amount of healthy fat earlier in the day to improve absorption of vitamin A. Now this is where things get interesting. Blueberries are loaded with anthocyanins, powerful compounds that protect brain cells. Research from Tufts University has shown that blueberry consumption is linked to improved memory and cognitive function in older adults. At night, these compounds help reduce oxidative stress in the brain. Think of it like rust protection for your neurons. Patient example: a 72-year-old woman struggling with forgetfulness. We added blueberry juice to her evening routine. Over time, her recall improved, and mental clarity became more consistent. Practical steps. Use natural low-sugar juice. Small portion is enough. Synergy tip. Combine with proper sleep timing to maximize memory consolidation. Your brain and eyes depend on blood flow, and beetroot juice is one of the most powerful natural ways to improve it. Beets are rich in nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide, a molecule that helps expand blood vessels. Research from institutions like Wake Forest University shows that nitrate-rich diets improve blood flow to the brain. Better blood flow equals better oxygen delivery. And oxygen is what your brain needs to repair itself. Analogy. Think of blood flow like a delivery system. If deliveries are slow, nothing gets repaired on time. Patient story. A 70-year-old man with low energy and mental fatigue. After introducing beetroot juice, he experienced noticeable improvement in focus. Practical steps. Drink earlier in the evening, not too late. Keep portions moderate. Synergy tip. Combine with light movement during the day to enhance circulation further. If this is helping you understand your body differently, take a second to like the video and subscribe. Because most people never learn this until the damage has already started. Sleep is where the real repair happens, and tart cherry juice helps trigger it. It's one of the few natural sources of melatonin, your body's sleep hormone. A study in the European Journal of Nutrition showed improved sleep duration and quality with tart cherry consumption. But here's the hidden benefit. Better sleep equals better brain detoxification. At night, your brain clears out waste linked to cognitive decline. Patient example, A6, 6-year-old patient with poor sleep patterns. After adding tart cherry juice, his sleep improved, and so did his daytime mental clarity. Practical steps. Small serving before bed. Choose unsweetened versions OS. Synergy tip. Combine with a consistent sleep schedule for deeper repair cycles. Now, here's the one that changes everything, and almost no one uses it correctly. Green vegetable juice, timed properly. Not sugary blends, not fruit-heavy drinks, but low-sugar, nutrient-dense green juices with ingredients like spinach, kale, or celery. Here's why this matters. These greens are rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, compounds that protect both your retina and brain cells. Research has linked these nutrients to improved cognitive performance and visual processing speed. But timing is everything. Drink it too late, and digestion disrupts sleep. Drink it correctly, and it fuels repair. Analogy. It's like preparing your body with the right tools before the night shift begins. Patient story, a 74-year-old patient with declining vision and memory. We introduced a small, balanced green juice in the early evening. Within months, his energy, focus, and visual sharpness stabilized. Why most people get it wrong. They drink sugary juices. They overconsume. They drink too late at night. And instead of helping, they disrupt the repair process. Practical steps. Drink 2-3 hours before bed. Keep it light and low sugar. Focus on greens, not fruit. Synergy tip. Combine this with proper sleep and protein timing, and your body enters a deep repair state overnight. Let's bring this together. Your body is constantly working to protect you, even as you sleep. And what you drink before bed can either support that process or interfere with it. Remember these 5. Carrot juice for vision, blueberry juice for memory, beetroot juice for blood flow, tart cherry juice for sleep, and green juice for complete repair. You don't need complicated routines, just simple, consistent habits. And most importantly, it's not too late. Your brain can adapt. Your eyes can be supported. Your body can improve. Starting tonight, if this helped you understand your health differently, subscribe for more science-based insights. Because the more you know, the more control you have over your future.